Good morning, friends, and happy Monday and happy week of Thanksgiving. I cannot believe that Thanksgiving is already like this week. I'm blown away at how fast this year has gone. It just seems like yesterday was spring, and I just can't get it. I mean, I think everybody's in the same boat because I hear so many people saying the same thing. Like, I cannot believe that it's already like this week. So, but it is, and here we are, Thanksgiving week. I hope everybody has wonderful plans and everybody's gonna be making food and enjoying each other's company and family and friends and whatnot. I know I'm excited about going to Tennessee for Thanksgiving. I'm excited to be with my family, my mom and my dad, my sister, my brother, my nieces. I'm very, very excited about all of that. And I'm very excited to be with Brian and, you know, have him there with me as well. Of course, he's always there with me, so, but, you know, I'm just happy about all that too. But anyway, so this morning, I am headed to Walmart first thing because I ordered my Christmas tree yesterday through Ebates, which is awesome. I love Ebates. If you guys are not on Ebates or using Ebates or downloaded the Ebates app yet, I highly suggest that you do that. Only reason being is because I was actually very skeptical about it at first too, until I actually went, okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna like order my first thing or make my first purchase on it, and I'm gonna actually see if it is legit. And sure enough, it is legit. So I actually, now I'll probably have close to $9 coming back to me, like in a little check. And I know that's not like a lot, but if you start purchasing so many things, which a lot of people do purchase a lot of stuff online, and if you purchase a lot of things online, then it's like that comes back to you because you get like well, some of them are 1%, like Target this morning was 1%, and I'm like, really, Target? Really, 1%? But yesterday, Walmart was 10% cash back for purchases through Ebates, and I will show you guys a little bit more an explanation about how Ebates works. It's download the app. If you're not using it, you should, and then you get like cash back. So I'm actually trying to get, you know, obviously enough cash back so I can have a nice big check come to me, and I can put that away or set that aside for my Disney trip in March. So, you know, I do purchase a lot of stuff online, and I know a lot of people do as well. I mean, Amazon, Walmart, Target, Zulily, all kinds of stuff. And I'm a huge person who orders stuff online a lot. So, and I did with my Christmas tree, which I am actually gonna go pick up right now. I don't know why this line is not moving and why people aren't moving in this line. What the heck is happening here? What the heck is like going on? This is crazy. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. It's like, why isn't anybody moving? All right, so what's the deal here? This is so confusing. Alrighty, so I have my tree. That was like the easiest thing ever. All I had to do is scan my barcode purchase on my phone, and I went over to the little pickup section, not customer service, but there's a little pickup section that is in orange and it says pickup, and you just go over there and there's a lady standing there and she will scan your barcode, she'll go get your item, and you have to sign for it and you're out the door. So easy, quick and simple. Love that. So yeah, I think I made, what, $7 on Ebates from that tree? Yeah, so I'm gonna rack up a nice little check from Ebates. Like I said, I was so skeptical about Ebates before, and now that I seen that I was starting to make money through it, I'm like, heck yeah. So that's just another little way of making some money so I can have some spending money when I go to Disney. Woo-hoo. So yeah, so now I'm on my way to Cracker Barrel to meet Miss London. We are going to have breakfast this morning together, which is nice. It's a nice little break. It gets me out of the house for a little bit, gets me away from my Christmas decorating that I've been doing, because I'm just like been so overwhelmed with Christmas decorating. And then just a nice little sit down visit with London for a little while and catch up and talk and, you know, spend some time together. And then I probably need to get home and get to decorating again. More decorating. Like, I gotta put this tree up. So excited. This tree's going in my room, which I'm very, oh, I needed to stop by Hobby Lobby on my way home too. So I'll stop by Hobby Lobby on my way home to pick up some ribbon. So that is what I will be doing as well. And I will see you guys at Cracker Barrel. I'm so excited to see all their Christmas stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. I love Cracker Barrel's Christmas decor. Let's go check it out. So London is not here yet, but I'm gonna go in and look at all of their Christmas decorations. Thank you. So I'm just gonna go inside here and wait and look at all their Christmas decorations. Forever.
Look at this.
Grinch.
I'm gonna get this for my husband. He needs this. Him and Amari.
She said he's a Grinch. Oh no, is Amari being a Grinch?
God.
Oh no.
Amari.
Y'all need to snap out of that.
Yes.
It is Christmas time. You gotta be happy.
I'm so happy.
Have you ever seen these where you look through them and they see the lights? Like, look through that. And look at the lights. Are they like gingerbread men?
Where?
Do you not see gingerbread men?
No.
Oh, really? You're supposed to look at the light.
Every light.
Yeah.
Oh, I do.
Okay, you do see it now?
Yeah, I didn't know to look for those.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yes.
And they're different ones. These ones are like reindeer. These ones are candy cane. These ones are snowmen.
This work on any lights?
Yeah.
Let me see. These are...
So if you like look up, you'll probably see it up there too.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure do. Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
They're just kind of fun little stocking stuffers too.
Yeah, Mario.
Have around the house for kids. Cute.
Oh, Mario.
Cute.
Nothing.
Except for
What?
a coal in his stocking.
Yeah.
Oh, girl, you can sit right there.
Yeah, sit right here.
Alrighty, so London and I have our breakfast. I have some French toast and I have some biscuits and gravy with some sausage patties, and she's got biscuits and gravy and some scrambled eggs and some sausage patties as well.
Some grits.
And grits, yes. Yum.
Yum, yum.
Well, that was such a nice visit with London. We had a nice breakfast together, caught up and made plans for December, which I'm super excited about. And I actually told you guys before that I was actually having two parties at my house, and one of them is a girls' night, and it's just like a girls' Christmas gathering, and London's coming, which I'm very excited about, and her two girls, which is very awesome as well. So I'm very excited about that. And then we also have another thing that we're going to be doing in December. So we have a few things on our list to do together, so I'm very, very happy about that. And then IBS kicked in and I got ill to my stomach, so I had to like run to the bathroom 3 times, and now I'm on my way home, and hopefully I can make it home, but I wanted to stop into Hobby Lobby first. So hopefully, I mean, I can make it to Hobby Lobby, and then hopefully there's a I can use the bathroom there if I need to. But when I went back in after London left, I picked up a couple of little things. I picked up 2 little, they're so cute, these little roosters. My aunt loves roosters, and that's where we're having Thanksgiving dinner on Thursday. And so I picked up these cute little rooster like salt and pepper shakers. They were like 99 cents. They're so cute. So I picked a couple of for her, and then I picked up 2 little sheepies. They're so cute. I'll show you guys when I get home, but I'm gonna head to, goal is to go to Hobby Lobby right now if I don't get sick on the way there. So that is my goal, is to go to Hobby Lobby and get my ribbon and then go home. I hate IBS days. Ugh. And the traffic is so bad right now, so bad. So these are the 2 cute little salt and pepper shakers that I picked up. They're like little lammies or sheeps. I don't know what the difference is, but anyway, aren't they the cutest little things? They got the cutest little smiles on their face. But anyway, I picked up 2 of these for me and 2 for my mom, and then I picked my aunt up some roosters, but these ones are mine. Aren't they so cute? Alrighty guys, so I am back home. I did not go to Hobby Lobby. My stomach was still a little unstable, and I did not want to get in Hobby Lobby and get into a line and get sick. So I came straight home, and I filmed a video that's gonna go up on Thanksgiving morning. I hope that you guys take the time out to watch that video. It's really nice. Oh, hang on. Hello?
What's up?
Hey.
What you doing?
Nothing. Christmas decorations, trying to clean up.
Oh, because I sent you a text and I'm getting no response.
Well, I was filming a video, so I probably had it on mute.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing. I wanted...
Alrighty, sorry. Alright, so obviously we are not going to Knoxville, which I'm so grateful for, because I just like didn't want to go. It's like 2 days that I was going to be away from, 3 days I was going to be away from my house, and almost 4.5 days now that I'm thinking about it, that I was going to be away from my house and not be able to do anything. So with that being said, I'm going to drag my new Christmas tree in here. I'm going to change my shirt because I will get white all over this shirt. So I'm going to change my clothes and get into something comfortable, drag that tree in here, and yeah, open it up and set it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta find my other basket that I'm gonna put it in, and yeah, so stick around. Let's put this Christmas tree up.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
All right, you guys, so that tree is up. I just have to get it fluffed and clean up the mess, and whew, poppies. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye.